Ntwana yaselokishini bathi wena ufuna ukuthini ngeke wena umtshela ne ngeke wena umtshela ne ntwana yaselokishini bathi wena ufuna ukuthini.
He's posting content there, posting music and so. I see this guy, I'm like, oh, this guy is good. You know, I hit him up. Yo, what's up, bro? Like, born and I'm post, you know, can we like work on a song if you're down?
Yeah.
Oh, go, more so chilled, but he sang, I know, some left and right. Was so chilled. Was one who no, you know what? It's not years, I like when I was oh, studio song.
You have to start all over again, building a song. So I mean, I can say that is really
Sure.
maybe I'm a challenge that I can sing for the city.
Amen.
And I would like to see to inspire, miseducate, misfamiliar, but only if you balance the potential. Because into one way it's hard to cast for the change. If you go pay. And then when you fully fucking to the ground, you want to tell them while you're paying.
Yeah, totally.
You did what inspires me, telling my colleague, and the middle of the inspire.
Inspire is
It's busy like us, but I need to say things on it. Why? Potential into a music platform.
Sure.
Made it easier.